You'd want to reset your iPad to factory settings for various reasons, like forgot passcode, purchase it second-hand, want to give it to your friend or sell it. But if you forgot to turn off Find My beforehand, you'll run into a screen like this. It's asking you for the Apple ID and password. If you have enabled two-step verification, you'll see the Unlock with Passcode option right here. If you still remember it, then you are lucky enough to activate your iPad simply with the passcode. Just like this. But if you forgot it, then things will get pretty tricky. Apple would suggest you try out all the options here to retrieve the credentials. If all these doesn't help you, here is a workaround you might be interested. Bypass the activation lock with For Me key. I'll leave the link in the description below if you'd like to download. So once installed, connect your iPad to the computer, then proceed with each of the blue buttons till you get here. It's suggesting a jailbreak. Here is a link to the tutorial, a step-by-step guide on how to jailbreak iOS device on Windows. Let's give it a shot. First, download the two jailbreak tools. Once done, open Rufus. Then insert an empty USB thumb drive into your computer. Now go back to Rufus and select the Jailbreak ISO file. Now we can start creating the bootable drive. Make sure to choose the right in DD image mode. Then hit OK for each pop-ups. Once done, restart the computer. When it boots up, hit the F12 key to enter the boot options. Now select the USB storage device, press enter to confirm. Seconds later, we'll see the Jailbreak jailbreak wizard. Make sure your iPad is still connected at this point, then you should see the device information right here. Go ahead and hit start. The device will be put in recovery mode first, hit next to confirm. Once we are in recovery mode, click start, then quickly follow the instructions to enter DFU mode before the countdown is over. For an iPad with home button, is press and hold both the power and home button for 4 seconds. Then release the power button while continue holding the home button for another 10 seconds. In DFU mode, the jailbreak process will be reflected on the device. Well done. Now we are going to restart the computer, and then launch For Me key to start over. Like before, we click on each of the blue buttons. This time we should see the device information screen. Below it is the Start Remove button. By clicking on it, For Me key will do the trick for you in seconds. Well done. Now it says the iCloud activation lock has been removed successfully. Let's check it out. When we see the data and privacy option, we know the activation lock is no longer ahead our way. Let's move on. When we got to the Apple ID sign-in option, make sure to skip it, and then head to the home screen. Then in Settings, we should notice the Apple account has been signed out. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.